Hi guys, my name is Casey. If you're new here, I am a homeschool mother of two. I have an 8-month-old daughter and I have an 8-year-old son whom I homeschool. He is currently with his grandparents. So Kennedy and I decided to go on a solo hike. And this is our first time solo, so come join us and see how it goes.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you.
Hi. So Kennedy is all ready. She's in her pack. And she seems excited, so let's see how this goes. Hi! Oh, you look so cute. Are you happy? So far, this is actually really nice. I thought it would be a little heavier, but it's actually really nice. And so far, she's happy, huh? Are you happy? Yeah. Makes for a really nice day. Good girl.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, I love you. Yeah, you can touch mommy if you really tried. So I chose one of these like crinkly baby books and I clipped it to the front so she'd have something to play with. I have other toys and I brought some like 550 cord to tie it to right here just in case, because I'm sure I'm gonna have to change out the toys to keep her to keep her interested, but we'll see how it goes. So far, my first impression is that this is a very nice pack. I might adjust it a little bit to fit me a little bit better, but so far so good. She's hollering because she can see herself in the camera and she really likes it. What are you looking at? Hi. Do you hear the birds? Good girl. Get mommy's hair. Get it. Get it.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the...
Can you see the view? Way down there? Here. How's that? Do you see the river? Yeah. I think she's enjoying it so far. Yeah? Hi. But it is a beautiful view. I have to look at. It's pretty. Oh. Yep, got my crinkle book. I'm good. Let's go. She has a lot to say. Ah. I think she's getting a little tired because me walking kind of rocks her some, so maybe she'll fall asleep. It's a tree. Here, can I get close enough? Can you touch it? No? We're not going to be that brave? There you go. Get the tree. You got it. Good job. How does it feel? Is it rough? Can you say tree? Yeah, look at you. You so happy? Good job. Very good. Oh, yep, mommy's hair. Let's not pull that out. Yeah, touch the tree all you want. Yeah. Oh, this is so fun. She's being really good. Touch this pine tree. Oh. There we go. Get it. Oh, good girl. So far, we haven't come across anybody. It's been really quiet. It is a Thursday, but the weather is so nice. We've had horrible weather for a couple weeks now. It finally stopped raining. The sun's out. It's like 61, so it's perfect weather to be outside, and I assumed everybody would be out too, but super good day. Do you know what all these stairs mean? Mommy has to carry you all the way back up. You're not listening. All these stairs mean I have to pack you all the way back up. You want to touch the rock? Get the rock. Touch it. Touch it. Kennedy, get it. Is it wet? Oh, good job. Yeah, just don't lick your fingers. That's yucky. Good job. steps, yay. So, there are so many steps. I will say, one thing I'll be working on in my workouts is lunges and box step-ups and box jumps. Definitely, you know, since having her, we haven't backpacked in a while. Not quite ready to take her out, but just not quite ready to go backpacking with her yet. I could. I know we could. I know that we could do it successfully. She'd be fine. We'd all have a good time. Just not quite ready yet. I know there's many families that start their kids out a lot younger than us and hit the trail and they have a great time. So soon. Not yet, but soon. Okay guys, she passed out already. I don't blame her. I mean, all the rocking is kind of nice, but all right. I was literally looking for a place to stop for lunch so that I could get her out and she could crawl around. The last time that I took her hiking was only a few weeks ago and she wasn't crawling, so I was interested to see how's this gonna go this time. If you're someone who's been thinking about, you know, I'd really like to get out with my baby or my small children, you know, it all comes down to how bad do you want it. If you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to do it. There's tons of equipment out there. Some stuff super expensive, not everybody can afford. We actually used our REI dividend to buy this pack because, you know, it's kind of expensive, but we looked at it as an investment into the future because, you know, she can stay in this for quite a while. And not every trail is accessible for our Bob jogging stroller, so when we weighed the pros and cons, this was definitely worth the investment. You know, in a previous video, I actually wore her in the baby pack in front of me, and then I had my pack behind me, and it actually kind of counterbalanced a little bit, and that worked fine. So if you really want it, you'll figure out a way. Oh, you're awake. When did that happen? I wish you could carry me and I could take a nap.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
So far, we've done about 2.5 miles, nothing crazy, but it was a lot of up and down, and when it comes to backpacking and carrying a load, I am not completely up to snuff yet, but so far so good. We found a place to sit. We'll stop and eat. I'll feed her, see how it goes. Last time she couldn't crawl. I wonder how many leaves she's gonna eat. I hope not. Is that a good snack? Yeah, yummy. So I thought I'd talk about the pack that we chose. We decided to pick the Osprey Poco Plus. There's a regular Poco, but I chose this one But I chose this one because I think it had 26 liters worth of cargo space, and the other one only had 20. And so when we're down a pack, like a 60-liter pack, because one of us has to carry the baby, well, I mean, 20 liters isn't going to get us a whole lot. So I would be down some stuff. She still has to carry some stuff. So I opted to pay a little bit more to get a little more storage space. Now, if you backpack or you hike, you understand that weight can be a huge problem. You're always trying to conserve weight. So yes, I got more cargo space, but we will also have to be conscious about how much weight we are carrying. The pack itself is about 7 pounds and 11 ounces, I think. And then how much does your baby weigh? Stop eating my phone. Eat your snack. How much does your baby weigh? And then how much can you carry dry? But then you also have to account for your water weight. Water weighs 8.34 pounds per gallon. So think about that when you're trying to pack. So this one has a mesh pocket. It also has a pretty deep cargo pocket here. And then there's a little tiny one for like keys. I have camera batteries in here so they don't get lost. And then this one has a sunshade. So there's a shade that fits on top that, you know, can keep her from getting too hot and for the sun. So then down here there is a huge cargo pocket underneath. The sleeping bag that we are laying on fits in here all rolled up. Of course, I had her food, my food, some diapers, and then of course wipes.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the.
So now we're headed back to the car. We had a really good day. She had a little lunch. I had a little lunch. She'll probably eat more once we get back to the car, so I'll give her some solids and call it a day and drive home. She has been wonderful. She enjoyed hanging out. She enjoyed rolling around in the leaves. She enjoyed trying to eat all the leaves. So, for her first day solo, I'd say it was a success. We will definitely be doing this again. Another tradition we have as a family is everywhere we go, we pick up a rock to remind us of where we've been, and we put them in jars, and it is really cool because you start to see the layers. And so she's been other places, but technically this will be her first rock. Well, thanks for joining us on our first solo hike. We had a really good time. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye. Yeah, she has one.